In this demo, we'll add accessors and mutators to our CalcEngine app, and we'll look at how to deal with situations where we may want to provide the ability to see a value, but not modify a value. So here we are back in our CalcEngine app, and I'm here in the math equation class, and we have our 4 fields at the top, right, that are all currently public. Now the first thing we want to do is go ahead and make these guys all private. So with the values all private, now we can go ahead and add our accessors and our mutators, right? And this is going to be really straightforward. Let's look first at doing it for left val. So for left val, go ahead and make it public. The return value will be the same as left val, which is double. We'll call it get left val. And all that does is simply return back left val. Right, so that gives us an accessor for left val. For our mutator, again, it'll be public. This time it'll be void, though, because mutators don't return a value. It'll be set left val. And we'll accept a parameter of type double we'll call left val. And then from there, we simply assign the parameter to our field. Right, so that's pretty straightforward. And we're going to do that for right val and opcode as well. So with those accessors and mutators in place, we can set the values of any of those as well as access them. And that makes sense for left val, right val, and opcode. But result's a little different. Result is the result of this class doing what it does, executing an operation. So it doesn't really make sense for anyone to be able to modify the result from the outside. They certainly should be able to see it, but not modify it. So this is a case where we may want to have an accessor, but not a mutator. What it does is, in effect, make our result a read-only value. So what we'll do is for our result, we'll go ahead and create that accessor, but we're not going to have a mutator. And so with that, we can now just go ahead and update our application and go ahead and use the accessors and mutators we've created. So down here where we create each math equation instance, we'll just update these to use the mutator. So I'll say set left val. We pass the left val as a parameter. Close those parentheses. Do the same thing for right val and opcode. So that now creates the instance of the math equation, setting each of the values. Then we head up here where we access the result. We'll change that to use the accessor for results. We'll just make this get results. All right, so let's go ahead and run it, make sure everything works. And there we have our output values. So we've now updated our math equation class, so we're properly hiding the data inside of it, which will allow us to evolve it more effectively over time without impacting code that uses our class.